Okay everyone, so the first property we're having a look at is in Hollywood. I'm right now in the Hollywood Hills above the Sunset Strip. This is going to be 1383 Londonderry Place. It is a 4-bed, 6-bath, 9,100 square foot home, and it's located on an 11,267 square foot lot. This one is listed for $14,500,000. Okay guys, so I'm right now in the master bedroom of this property and I really like it. I mean, you can see from here, the scale is enormous, but also you've kind of got your own wing of the house on this floor. It's also got a massive balcony, ensuite bathroom, 2 walk-in closets, and then you're looking out onto this, your backyard area with your pool, which I think is really cool. And then you've got views, if you can see the skyline, straight out that way. I'm walking to the bathroom of the master bedroom in this property, and you can probably see this. This bathtub right here has got incredible views and a glass wall behind it. That is a trend that we're actually seeing more and more of, is if you've got an amazing view, it's how you're going to make the most of it. Obviously, I think you want it in your living space, but a lot of people like to relax at the end of the day, look out over the world as they're having a bath. Okay everyone, so I just finished up at that property on Londonderry. I actually thought that was really cool. Loved the style. It was obviously that modern design, but actually had a huge amount of character. But I'd love to know what you guys think. If we can get a better tour next time because you want to see different things, let us know. But hopefully you guys are enjoying knowing the price before, then seeing the property. Let us know in the comments below. Send me a DM. Hope you guys are having a good day.